Today we're going to change our air blower resistor in our 2007 Chrysler Pacifica. This is the part we got at AutoZone, Advance. The part number is right here. And it looks like this. Not very hard to get to. What you'll need is 8mm to take 2 screws out, and we'll show you how to do it. And basically what you do is you take these 2 screws out, slide it out, and put it back in, plug in your 2 plugs, and you're pretty much done. We're doing this because our air would not blow at all in our Chrysler Pacifica. We knew it worked because it was blowing before we shut the car off. When we turned the car back on, it just wouldn't blow. And it was blowing really weak too. So we decided to change this out, and it really makes a huge difference. It's located right in here. Just squeeze that and watch everything fall out. It's right here. There's 2 bolts on the side here and 2 clips. So you have to undo your clips, press on this and pull down. Same thing on this one. Press on this and just wiggle that out. And then we'll get to unscrewing these and we'll put our new mechanism in. We got our new one, and we're just gonna slide it right in here. Okay. And put our screws in. Just gonna tighten that a little bit. Get this other one in here. Do not want to drop these screws. It will be heck trying to get them out. Okay. Let's tighten this bad boy up. Sorry about my hand there, but all right. Oh yeah, that's in there. Just put your clips back in. Make sure they clip in. These guys are in real good, and that should fix it. Put that back in our owner's manual. There we go. Nice cold clean air coming out. And got some air coming out here. What the problem was our unit just wouldn't turn on. We had nothing coming out of here at all. But we knew the fans were good because it had been working. So that's why we replaced that part. Hope this helps. If you like our video, please click the like button and subscribe so we can show you how to fix your other problems on PT Cruisers, Chrysler Pacificas, and any other vehicle you have.